Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the vehicle to ACC or on so the display and GPS modules are live. Next, connect your phone with Bluetooth or USB. Once paired, enable Android Auto or Apple CarPlay if you want phone navigation. Make sure the Rav4 system shows current software and map data in Settings system. Outdated maps slow routing. Once done, choose Navigation on the home screen and pick either onboard Maps or CarPlay/Android Auto as the navigation source to begin routing. You now enter your destination using the touchscreen or the steering wheel voice button for hands-free input. After the system recognizes the address, open route options to choose fastest versus shortest and toggle avoid tolls or highways. This changes GPS calculations dramatically. Make sure to inspect the turn preview and ETA. Lane guidance appears on highway approaches. If you need a stop, add waypoints manually. The system recalculates. Once satisfied, tap Go and watch the first set of directions appear. You drive while following voice prompts and the instrument cluster arrows. Trust the next turn prompts and the lane guidance to position you. If the GPS loses signal or shows incorrect position, safely pull over and reboot the infotainment system or disconnect and repair your phone. This fixes most signal and Bluetooth issues. If maps show wrong directions, check for updates. Apply an over-the-air update when available or load the dealer-provided USB map update. Make sure recalculation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.